Tailgate is off.
Dual-pronged effort. This vehicle is great. I have an answer for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Snatch Shed video. We are continuing the work on our rust bucket of a 1986 Toyota Land Cruiser. We are doing complete restoration on this baby, so we need to take everything off that has a bolt. In the last video we got the front clip off and the engine out, and now we got to continue in the interior. So we got to take, the dash, the seats, and pretty much everything off that we can. So stay tuned. This is our donor car. It was wrecked, but pretty much everything that is wrong with this car is not wrong on this car. So that one has rust in the floors, rust in the roof, and this one doesn't. So pretty soon we're gonna have to strip down this one as well. I don't know if we're gonna do a video on that, but we're gonna use this frame. We're gonna use a lot of the roof parts, a lot of the floor parts, and all the parts that are not rusty. But the frame on that guy is pretty bad. So we're gonna use this one, which is pretty good, even though it doesn't look like it.
So why go from that way, or from that way to this way instead of this way to that way?
Why? I have an answer for you. So this is a 1987. In 1987, they came with automatic transmission, and they also upgraded to EFI, electronic fuel injection, which may seem better. I hate automatics. We hate automatics, right? The Snatch Shed
Correct.
hates automatics. So we're not gonna. The 1987 model is just not our thing. It also had different headlights, so it had square headlights, which looked really stupid. So,
All right, let's do it.
all right, let's do it. Let's start with the seats. Okay, got a quick update for you. We have gotten the seats out, the seat belts. This little goober is working on getting off the, off the tailgate. And I am working on getting the dash out, but I'm gonna try and get the pedals off first. Yeah, there's like cotter pins and stuff, so gotta get the pedals off just because I really can't quite see what I'm working with over here. So take more stuff off. Take more stuff off, like and subscribe. Take more stuff off, like and subscribe. Quick tip of the day with the Snatch Shed. If you're ever doing restoration or taking some apart, take the bolts, stick them in a bag, and label what it goes to. I think we're gonna need to buy a lot of bolts, but at least knowing which things go to what will help when we're putting it back together. And the tailgate's off.
Tailgate is off.
Is gauge G-A-U-G-E or G-U-A-G-E?
G-U-A-G.
I got it correct. So this dash is being a little bit of a pollywog. So these climate control dingle-dingles, extremely hard to get out. They just don't make it very intuitive on removal. I obviously see all the bolts and stuff, but it's really hard to get to. So, especially without breaking, I don't know, we might have to like either 3D print or design new stuff, because I don't know off the top of my head whether we can find new parts and stuff to replace. But a lot of the stuff was broken even before I broke it more. Yeah, but this dash is one of the last big things we need to get out, and then it's just trying to remove all the fuel lines and stuff from underneath. This headliner, that's going to be a bit of a hobdoggle as well. It's glued in here, which is sweet. But obviously we need to get the headliner off so we can get to the roof. So yeah, let's get to the dash. Let's do a dual-pronged effort on the dash. Yank her out. All right, so now in order to get this whole, I don't know what you call it, AC climate control heater sack off, gotta take these hoses off. These are for the AC, and these hoses are for the heater. Yeah, looks really fun and everything's rusty, so let's get it. Okay, that was a lot of fun. We got most of the interior out, including a lot of the stuff that we need to take off in the engine bay. So, you know, the brake booster, the slave cylinder, the AC and all that stuff. So dash has also been taken out. The rear, what's it called? Tailgate and lift gate and all that stuff.
Lights, wiring harness.
Lights, wiring harness. I mean, a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff was done. Our plan is, I know we still need to take out the glass and stuff, and the headliner and all that, but what we're thinking is, in the next video, we're gonna gut this one down. I know we don't, it's probably gonna be a lot of the same thing. However, like that needs to happen in order for us to be able to salvage the parts from it. Once we have that one gutted, then we can get this one on a rotisserie so that we can do the floor first. Because as long as we have a good floor, then we can put this car on that frame and then kind of work our way up from there. But the floor is in the worst shape of all the stuff that's wrong with this, of all the rust. The floor is what's in the worst shape, so we want to get the floor done. And we have most of the stuff taken off right now in order to get the floor done. So you might be as anxious as us. We obviously want to work on this thing as well, but we do got to get the other one stripped down. So if you did watch, you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe. It helps a lot. We appreciate you. We'll catch you on the next one.